Everyone, my name is Abiola. Welcome back to my channel. This morning, I'll be teaching you how to add new stock to existing inventory in your model-driven app. I'm going to be using my Style inventory. We are going to teach you on how to add new item and also to add picture to the item. So now click on the new item here. For the benefit of this training, let's just take the title is 10, then the product name. We want to do IL. We want to add IL to the existing stock. Then the stock ID, so let's just say it's 20. We were doing stock ID 20. Then the category, I have some categories saved already here on my model driven app. In my next video, I'll be showing you how to create categories, how to create categories option. So let's just make it of what I have existing. Yeah, so that you don't miss out on it, kindly subscribe to my channel so that you can get tips on that will help you in your final app challenge in the Microsoft Power Up program. So for the color, I like red, so I'm making use of red for this. Then the price, let's just say this is $30, and for the size 40, the number of stock the quantity of stock that we are adding in this is 20. We're adding 20 stock, but we are targeting 40 stock. Then the weight, let's say this is just 3 grams. Then the discount, also I have some discounts already saved here. In next videos, I'll be taking you through on how to create discounts still. So the description is red, high, yellow. But you can see in the product image now, it's saying that this record hasn't been created yet. So to enable image upload, create this record. So for us to be able to add image to this, we have to first save this item that we have created. And can you see now the option to add image as is being highlighted now. I can just pick from my existing images that I have saved, but a lot of people have been reaching out to me on how to save how to get pictures. So let's just quickly go on Google. Let me quickly take you through on how you can get pictures for your item. So here we want to look for red eye heels. Red eye heels. Then because the model driven app will not take all the format. But let's be safe with, let's use PNG to be on the safe side. So we'll save this. Just right click on the image that you like. I click on the image that you like and just save image as red IL, let's say 3, because I have some existing already. So we now go back to our model driven app. Click on the browse button, go to the folder. This is the one we just saved, red IL. Then open it. So you can see it has been added to it. The image has been added. So from here you just save and close. So if you want to go through, say added already to the list of items on the model driven app. All right, thank you. I hope this help in your final app project for the Microsoft Power Up program. If it helps, give me a like button and subscribe to my channel for you to get more that will help you to make your journey easy. Thank you very much for listening and see you next time.